Stop grinding. Seriously, grinding is dead. Last month, I watched a dude clear $15,400 from his laptop, working maybe 90 minutes a day. No ads, no warehouse, no rise and grind nonsense. Here's the wild part. Every single hustle I'm about to show you uses AI, but not the way TikTok gurus talk about it. If you're still trying to flip items, do Uber, or cold DM like it's 2019, that's a red flag. You're playing a game that already ended. Most side hustles suck. They're either time-heavy, skill-heavy, or straight-up cap. You trade hours for dollars. You burn out, you quit. Meanwhile, companies are quietly paying $500 a day for stuff they don't want to deal with. Automation, content, leads. This is where AI comes in, not as a toy, but as leverage. I'm breaking down 7 lazy AI side hustles. Lazy meaning you set it up once, AI does the heavy lifting, you get paid for outcomes. No coding, no tech degree, just systems. Let's get into it. Low-key, the easiest money on this list. Businesses lose money because they reply late. AI doesn't sleep. How it works? AI auto-responds to new leads via SMS or email. More replies, more sales. 3 steps. Pick one niche: real estate, med spas, home services. Use Zapier plus Claude to auto-send follow-ups. Charge $500 to $1,500 a month per client. 5 clients equals real money. Everyone wants TikToks. Nobody wants to make them. AI writes hooks. AI edits clips. You just manage. 3 steps. Target coaches, gyms, and realtors. Use AI video tools for captions and edits. Sell monthly packages. People are sleeping on this hard. People will pay to get hired faster, period. AI optimizes resumes for ATS systems. That's valuable. 3 steps. Offer resume and LinkedIn revamps. Use AI to tailor per job. Charge $100 to $300 per client. Stack volume. Easy wins. Email still prints money. Most brands are terrible at it. AI writes, AI tests, you collect checks. 3 steps. Reach out to small e-com brands. Set up abandoned cart plus promo emails. Take a monthly retainer or % of sales. This one scales fast. Businesses hate customer support. AI loves it. 24/7 chatbots equals happy customers. 3 steps. Offer chatbot setup to service businesses. Train it on FAQs and sales scripts. Charge setup plus monthly fee. Set it once, chill. Rich people pay to save time. AI summarizes markets, stocks, or real estate data. 3 steps. Pick one niche, crypto, stocks, or housing. Automate weekly reports. Sell subscriptions. Boring niche, big money. Executives don't want to think. They want to delegate. AI handles inboxes, scheduling, and reminders. 3 steps. Target consultants and founders. Set up AI workflows. Charge monthly retainers. This is elite-level lazy. Why this works? You're not selling AI. You're selling freedom from effort. That's why this pays. That's why it scales. Most people are still chasing side hustles. You're building systems. The CTA. If you want to stay ahead, not broke, not burnt out, hit subscribe. I break down real AI money plays before they get saturated. No fluff, no fake gurus. Secure the bag. I'll see you in the next one.